I really thank you very much. May our Heavenly Father bless you. Mbere, I also welcomed him yesterday.
Muraho neza abakunzi ba Levis Family, aha ni ahandi ni kuri Levis Family. Nongeye kubiyegereza, nongeye kubaha akaze kugira ngo dukomeze kubana umunsi ku wundi. Buri uko dushizeho video dukore subscribe kugira ngo buri uko dushizeho video muzajya muyireba. Rero uyu munsi itariki 19 z'ukwa kabiri ariwe munsi twaburiyeho umubyeyi wacu, umugabo Gen.Makanika. Niwe munsi twamubuzeho, niwe munsi yatabarutse. Rero uyu munsi rero twagiye kumwibuka. Murabibona ahangaha harimo abapapa, harimo abamama, harimo abakobwa, harimo urubyiruko. Umva abantu bose bari baje kugira ngo twibuke Makanika, kubera ko ni intwari yacu, ni intwari y'abanyamurenge. Batubwiye ibyo yakoze, batubwiye ibintu byinshi yagiye akora. Ni intwari kabisa, ni umugabo w'abagabo. Umva ni intwari kabisa. Gen.Makanika yitangiye ubwoko kugira ngo ubwoko bubeho, yitangiye abanyamurenge bose kugira ngo tubeho. Umva yaraye amajoro, batubwiye byinshi kabisa. Yakoze byinshi kabisa kugira ngo abanyamurenge, kugira ngo ababyeyi batiganisha, ndabihanganisha aho bari hose. Buri munyamurenge wese hariya twabonyemo ababyeyi babuze abagabo bagiye gutabara, twabonyemo abana babuze ababyeyi. Rero abo bose turabihanganisha. Mukomere ko ari n'indirimbo ivuga ngo nta gihe kitagira iherezo. Rero nta gihe kitagira iherezo. Natwe abanyamurenge hari igihe bino bintu tuzabyibuka ari nka story kabisa, tukaba mu gihugu cacu tukongera tukagira amahoro. Ibi byose bizagira iherezo. Rero umunyamurenge wese aherereye, aho ava akajya, twese kabisa ndabihanganisha kugira ngo dukomeze kwihangana muri bino bihe bitoroshe, muri bino bihe turi kuburamo abantu bacu, muri bino bihe turi kuburamo inshuti, turi kuburamo ababyeyi, turi kuburamo abavandimwe. Ariko Imana yonyine, Imana niyo yo kudutabara, Imana niyo yo kutugwanirira kugira ngo bino bihe biceho. Kandi ndabizi neza tudashidikanya ko abanyamurenge Imana twakoreye, Imana dukorera, ndabizi ko ku bantu bayizera bakuru baje urungano rwanjye. Iki ni cyo gihe cyo kubakira ku mugozi umwe, twongera tugatarabana inshuti n'abavandimwe.
I think many of you knows him. They took him and arrested him. They arrested him hardly. We were thinking that he's going to die. He has arrived yesterday tonight. We went to welcome him at the airport. He's a man who is a hero, a great hero. This one is called Mbere. I also welcomed him yesterday. He was shot by machine gun, 6 bullets. But he's still standing strong. These are the heroes. Give an round of applause to them. These left their pleasure. They didn't accept to be despised. They stood up to go and die along with their community. Truly, these are the men of great value to me. Because we don't have so many things to speak. I'm going to speak about our hero. What is a hero? A hero is the person who pursues what he is determined for, what he was determined for, and it becomes an tremendous job for him, which has importance and benefits to many people. And he does it with perseverance and also great determination and commitment. A hero is one of the values, the great values of a person, which comes out of the great ability of facing the fear. And also being a hero, it's not just there because of war. But it does the work of hero. It does the activities of a hero which is beneficial to some other people. Then that person does not see his own interest, but he sees the interest of others. For example, of that kind of work of a hero, we can speak about our Mama Mapendo. She is the woman who could make a phone call when I was there. With a great, he was anxious. She wasn't sleeping because of how she was looking for how we can live. Along with another woman called Anastasia in the US. That the heroine, you can give another applause to them. Being a hero, it is the value. We thank all the people who have responded and come and attend this commemoration in order to remember our hero. And also we give our condolences to you and all the families of Banyamulenge. Continue to be strong. Even though we are in troubles, but we have God who is going to give us help. I also thank my friends who are here, have continued to be strong. There are some young women who are widows, and others are still having their husbands who are fighting. I really thank you for your patience. May God bless you. Let me, first of all, I really thank you very much. May our Heavenly Father bless you. You did an tremendous job to this extent. Since that time, they have never ceased to support us. They have continued giving support to us. Up to the extent everybody has understood this kind of work. And other people are still joining this family or group. We thank you. May our God bless you. So we thank everyone. Be strong, calm down. It's not easy. Today in our lives, we remember so many things that has happened. For me, I remember maybe my husband can't even come back to life. It was a trouble to us to be hated by our nation. Reason why we are facing this killing. But let us be strong. There is a time where the sun is going to shine. And people will have a time to laugh again. Even though many people will be dead, but other people will still live. God is going to let our people continue living. I really thank you very much. May God bless you. We have nothing to say about our heroes that we remember today. Our Afande, our general, he died along with many soldiers. We thank those who stood together with our people back at home. Then our men and women, they became strong. Our land was deserted somehow. But when they went there, he brought them together and settled them. They led the war. Then when the full time came, they died. Thank you. We don't have the place to everything in our heart. But we thank our God. He left us with a great legacy. Reason why we are still living and we are breathing up to today. We'll never forget you. We'll continue remembering your legacy. You will continue to remain in our heart. When he departed, we were so desperate. Then we were not able even to walk out. Then we say it is over. Our place in Mulenge is over. But after 2 days, the young men stood up in the gap. They stood up in the gap. That day, I will never forget in my life. When he died, The young men stood up. They stood up. They fight the enemy. We couldn't even wake up from our beds. Then we stand and then walk up. Then we say, even though it is like this, we still have some more men who are remaining. Then we thank God. I really thank those men who stood and also stand.